In this tutorial, we are going to understand the process of adding patients to a queue of waiting patients by reception staff. The doctor sees this live queue of patients and can then start treating them one by one. Let's start with reception staff device. In the list of patients view, reception staff can see patient UID, last visited date and gender. Along with that, they also see options to add the patient to queue of waiting patients, accept payments or book appointment for the patient. To add the patient to the queue on reception device, click the Add to Queue button against the patient. In the next screen, reception staff can select the type of visit, in-clinic visit or teleconsultation. Select the date and time along with clinic in which the visit is happening. Add or edit vital and lab parameters. The reception staff can accept the payment of the patient before meeting the doctor or after. Now, to add the patient to queue of waiting patients, tap the Add to Queue button. With that, the patient gets added to the queue of waiting patients. Now, let's switch to the doctor's device to see how this queued patient would be reflected instantly on the doctor's device. To view the queue of waiting patients, tap on the Reports option. You will see Patient Queue section and a list of clinics. Choose the clinic for which you want to see the queue. Let's say, we select Medicure Clinic. On selecting the patient, I see the patient added by my reception staff in this list. Now, if I tap on Visits, I would see the type of visit entered by reception staff along with the vital parameters entered at reception. This saves me a lot of time as initial registration and vital details entry is taken care by the reception. If the reception staff has made any mistake in capturing any parameter, I can modify the same. I can then enter other visit details and print the prescription. That brings us to the end of this session. Thank you for watching.